My topic for the video is Learn 40 HTML tags in 4 minutes. Before I begin my topic, I would like to give a brief introduction of HTML and its structure. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a programming language used to design web pages. The general structure of HTML is enclosed in tags, opening tag and a closing tag. We can compare the HTML structure with a human body structure. It is thus divided into head and body sections respectively. Let's move on to the practical demonstration of the HTML tags.
Software I have used is Adobe Dreamweaver CS5. I've already created separate files. Let's open it up. The source code is displayed at the left and its output is displayed on the right. In the structure given, HTML tag describes the beginning of an HTML page. The head tag encloses title tag whose contents are displayed on the top of the browser. The ending of head tag marks the beginning of the body tag, wherein all the contents are present. Heading tags start from H1 to H6 in a decreasing order. Different formatting tags include B tag, which is used for bold font style, I tag for giving an italic style, underline makes an underline, strike makes a line at the middle of the text. TT tag displays the tag in a typewriter mode, whereas KBD tag displays keyboard writing style. Font tag is used to give certain font face, size and color features to the text enclosed within it. Div tag is a block level element, whereas span tag is used to style parts of the text. HR tag is used to give a horizontal line, and BR tag is used to insert a new line. SUP tag is used for writing mathematical formulas, whereas SUB tag is used for writing chemical formulas. To display text in a table, table tag is used, which encloses TR tag to define a table row. TH tag is used to give a table heading, and TD is used to provide table data. BG sound tag has an attribute source that takes the audio sound file. IMG tag also has source attribute to display the selected image with a specified height. A tag is used to link a document file with another file. P tag displays the text in paragraphs. Here is the demo of bulleted list. UL tag defines an unordered list displayed using bullets. OL tag defines an ordered list displayed through numbering. LI tag encloses the items to be listed. I have given a background and text color to this page through the body tag. Here is a basic user form. Center tag helps to align the text in the center of the web page. Label displays a label. Text area displays a big text box. Input type equals to radio and checkbox displays the radio buttons and checkboxes respectively. Select tag displays a list of different options using enclosed option tag. Button tag is used to display a button. Marquee tag is a tag which makes the text move from one direction to another. Time for some movie. Well, embed tag does it all. It is used to display videos on the web page. Frame set tag is used instead of a body tag as it divides the entire page in rows and columns. Here the page is divided into 3 row sections, wherein the first section is further divided into 4 frames, second section has a single frame file, and the third section has 2 files enclosed in the frame tag. Let's have a look at the practical implementation in the browser. In the browser, audio of a laughing child is heard and the video of animals is observed.